Okay guys, I've got a Porcher toilet flush assembly here. The problem was that the water was leaking down into the bowl and I couldn't work out how to get it out, so I had to pull the whole cistern out. But I've since discovered there's these two little lugs here either side of the two assemblies. This section here is where the lugs need to align with for the two pieces to come apart. Just need to get it aligned and then it just pulls out. This seal, I'm not 100% sure on how to remove it, but you can just stretch it out, remove it like that. Now the seal actually looks alright, but because it seals around the edge here, I'm just going to turn it over so it's got a different surface, reinstall it. There you have it. Now if you've gone to the trouble that I have and you've pulled the whole cistern out, you'll probably find a lot of gunk in there, dirt and such. It's a good idea to hose everything down, take it out the back and hose it all down. Same with this valve assembly, hose it all out, get rid of everything, because sometimes all it can take to make your seal leak there is just a bit of foreign matter just blocking it and letting the water through. When you're installing everything back together, try and line everything up how it was so everything seals back properly. Sometimes it can be hard to work out which way things are meant to go, but if you look carefully you can see the telltale marks. So in the bottom of the cistern here I've got these telltale marks that tells me that that was face down that way.